Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum all. You're watching Iqbal Virtual Academy. This is Physics Lecture 3 by Mama Akram. Me. Okay? Let's go. Introduction to Physics, which we have done in the last lecture, but this one is amazing. So what is actually physics? The answer is that it's a branch of science that involves the study of the physical universe, energy, matter, and how these are interrelated, right? The study of physics is to understand the world around us, the world inside us, and the world beyond us. Physics covers a wide range of phenomena from small subatomic particles and the great galaxies and universe. In physics, we investigate the motion of electrons and rockets, the energy of sound waves and electric circuits, the structure of atoms, and the universe as well. Is mathematics important for physics? And the answer is yes. Human and physics condition was improved when mathematics was incorporated approximately 4 years ago. When we do express the physical ideas in mathematics, they are clearer and too easy to understand because they do not have multiple meanings and that cannot confuse us. Physics and sciences. Physics is the root of science in every field. Either is chemistry, biology, geology, astronomy, or agriculture. It's the base of everything in the sciences. Physics and technology. Physics and technology are closely related terms and they are different too. Physics is concerned with the gathering of information while technology is using that information and knowledge for the practical purposes. Physical phenomenon is always behind every technology and therefore physics has a key role in the progress of technology. Thanks a lot for watching. It was Mama Akram, Iqbal Virtual Academy. Please like, subscribe and share our channel.